Alright, y'all, this is the infamous Mount Magayon. Mount Magayon. And there over there in the middle is Mount Masaraga. And this is the beautiful Mount Malinao.
Yung usok, yung usok.
Ano?
Nakikita yung usok, gumuya dito sa
Saan?
NPA.
Ano, right? Mga NPA, yeah, mga pugad ng NPA. But they take care of the they take care of the forest. So, anyway, those are the three. Ito, volcano rin yan eh. Kaya lang it's like dormant ata. Dormant din itong Masaraga, but this one is the sleeping giant. No, actually, buhay pa yan. Anyway, further down, actually, nandun yung dagat. Hindi makita. Further down is the dagat. Alright, so we are in Malinao, Albay.